So this is the unboxing video of the MSI MP273A series in 2024. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what comes in the box. Because I was searching on the internet and I couldn't find a lot of details. The only video I found was little old, so I couldn't get a clear understanding of what comes in the box. Okay. So this is the adapter, the power cable. Okay, there is an included HDMI cable, the stand. Yep, that's it. The monitor supports DP DisplayPort connection also, but it doesn't come with an included DisplayPort cable. So for me, what I was looking for is the monitor with a DisplayPort connector. This is just gonna be my secondary monitor. So this is how it looks. And I'm gonna be using a VESA mount extendable arm to connect this to my PC. Okay. I'll set it up and show you guys. So here it is, the final look. I have installed it on the portrait mode, vertically to the side of my main monitor. Actually, it's not a monitor, it's actually an LG C2 OLED. I find these TV screens to be absolutely fantastic. They work just as well as a monitor because it has 4K 120 Hz. So for most of my purpose, it's more than enough. And the best thing is it's an OLED. So I've been using this screen as my primary monitor for about a year and a half. So now that I started, doing some streams, I wanted to have another monitor also to put all my streams and OBS and everything on there. So like I mentioned, this is the MSI. It comes with a DisplayPort connection, an HDMI port connection is also there, but within the box you will only find an HDMI cable. For me, I wanted a screen with an HDMI and DisplayPort connection also available, mainly because the one HDMI port out of my graphic card, it is already being used by my screen here, or by the TV. So I wanted to use DisplayPort for the next one which I'm about to use. So this one fit the bill. It was like just around $100. And for the price I paid, I think this is a good deal. 1080p, 100 Hz, AMD FreeSync. I think G-Sync is also available. I'm not really sure though on that part, but yeah, for the purpose that works. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing the main gaming on my primary display itself, so I don't really care about what comes up here. Only the all the other stuff which is related to the stream. So I've actually mounted it using this arm, which was from Hemix Professional. Yeah, I got it from Amazon. So I've mounted it to the back of my table. It's pretty adjustable, but yeah, when you vertically mount it, yeah, this is what happens. Since my screen OLED monitor or the TV screen is 42 inch, when you put the 27-inch on the side vertically, this is how it's gonna look. And yeah, this is my PC. So yeah, the PC, the monitor, everything, I got it about a year and a half ago. So this is an ROG Hyperion, I believe that's the name of it, and it has all the latest bells and whistles from, let's say, 1.5 years ago. But the graphic card is still the king, which is available on the market, which is the RTX 4090. It has the 13900K in it, and couple of M.2 SSDs and a couple of hard drives, 32 GB DDR5 Corsair memory, and the liquid cooler from Asus itself. My motherboard is I think the Z790 Hero from Asus. Yeah, I think that is the model number. And I also got a power supply from Asus. I think it is the Thor 1000. Yeah, Thor 1000 watt power supply. So if any of you want to see a performance review or a detailed video of my setup, let me know. So yeah, that's my headphones, some of the other gaming peripherals. So yeah, if you want to see anything more, if you would like to see a detailed video of the screen, let me know. I'll be happy to put one out for you. Okay then, thank you for watching. Bye.